Watch a couple hoes switch up on me, I hate, I seen that. We got dirty money, so you know we had to clean that. Can't fuck with niggas that got hoes, I won't get in between that. We toss niggas around, we treat these niggas like they beanbags. Niggas think they play till they meet a real P bitch. And I taste like sugar, but ain't a damn thing sweet, bitch. I will never let another nigga try me like no weak bitch. I'm pretty, but I take a nigga life, and that's the T, bitch. I'm pimping on.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Breezy Wanderlust, and if you're new, welcome. Today I actually have a new video for you guys. I'm going to be trolling people on the Monkey app at 5:20 p.m. in Korea, so it's like 3:20 a.m. back home. We're going to see what the vibe is on there. We're going to try to troll people on here. And I'm actually sipping on this little soju bottle. It's kind of like a wine cooler but stronger, so I'm gonna get lit and straight into the video. You feel me? Alright. Look.
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
I like your tattoos.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Florida.
Very nice. You don't have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
No, I don't got no boyfriend. I got a husband.
And you on here looking this good?
What's up, gang?
How are you?
Good, and you?
I'm alright. I like your tattoos, bro.
Thank you. Have a good day, hon. No. No.
Oh, damn, you look so good.
Thank you. What's up, gang?
I'm just out here trying to see something. Let me get a little peek at
Ah, no.
Yeah.
What the fuck they had going on? What the fuck they was saying? No. What's up, gang?
What's up with you?
Chilling.
Chilling. You got a VPN on?
Excuse me?
Oh, none. You live in Japan, don't you?
Bitch, no, I don't live in Japan.
Well, what are you drinking? What language is that on the bottle?
I'm in Korea.
Korea. Why you live out there?
Cause my man out here. I where my man at.
Yeah, that's where your man at.
Yeah.
How come you're not talking to him? Are you talking to strangers?
How come you not minding your business?
I'm just asking a question.
I'm trolling. Just chilling.
About you for a live in Korea?
Yeah.
What made you want to live out there?
My man out here. You asking the same questions. What? Didn't I just answer that? I said my man out here. So I'm where my man at. No.
Hi.
Bye. Why you on here?
Fuck you.
Go to bed. Your mama gonna get mad if she see your ass on here. You know you ain't got no... Wait. Alright, stay cool, kid. No.
Hi.
Hi.
You look very nice.
Oh, thank you. What you doing on here?
What's your name?
Oh, no, bye. Let me see the money. Where the money? Oh. Big Purr. Oh, hell no. Mm-mm. Yo.
Yo,
Yo, what up, gang?
chillin'.
Cause what the fuck? Y'all, they be having some fucking weirdos on here. I gotta skip it when I'm in the middle of talking, but like, they be having some fucking blank screen and shit. They got like blank screens staring at the ceiling and shit. Some fucking weirdos looking. Hi!
How you doing?
What's up, gang?
You know how to do hair?
I got what?
You know how to do two spatulas? Two spatulas?
No, I got it in a little ponytail right now.
Well, I'm gonna get some. You wanna do it the old fashioned way? I sit between your laps, so you like take my hair out?
Nah, I don't do hair. I can't hear you. Mm-mm. What up, gang? Yeah, I should pop on here. I'm gonna get the fuck off and get the fuck back on at a later date. Feel me? Yo, what up, gang?
Sup? Well, you got an attitude on it, you nice.
Who?
You kinda got like a little like.
Nah, cause there's some crazy people on here, you feel me? Just stupid shit.
Can I show you my huevos?
Where you from?
Yo, what?
Where you from?
Florida, where you from?
I'm from New York.
Gang shit.
Not even from Florida.
You from?
I am from Florida. I'm in a different country right now.
You
I know it's saying you're like innocent.
Japan.
You're not from Florida.
I'm from Florida. I'm in Korea right now. Like,
That's fire. That's fire.
yeah. Like, you in my business too.
Okay, what the fuck? You on monkey? You showing your business.
No, cause you talking about some you not from Florida. You in Japan and shit.
Don't matter, but that shit fire. Why you even over there?
I'm with my man.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
The foot. You're.
What's up?
What's up?
Yo, what you drinking?
Some soju. What you drinking?
Yeah, we drink soju too.
Yeah, you drink soju?
Yeah,
You don't even know what the fuck soju is.
motherfucker. Of course I know. I mean, I'm not legal to drink it yet, but I don't care.
Oh, you don't care. What you doing on here? How old you is?
How old you think I am?
Nah, I asked you a question first. That ain't how it go.
And I'm asking you a question now, so what's up?
Next. I thought that was something else, but still. Baby foot, no.
Oh,
Yo, what up, gang?
gay man? No gay. Seni si kimse.
What?
Very good boots, bro. Pussy.
What?
Very good boots.
No. Oh, hell no.
Oh, nigga got the bad green haircut. Tweaking. Hello?
Real fun ass song.
No, I can't see no face.
But
Bye. The fuck? Yo, what up?
Where are you from? What the fuck?
What's up?
How are you?
Good. How's your night?
Good. You looking good.
Thank you.
hey, baby.
Bye, baby. Kiss with.
Hey, hello.
Hi, hello, what's up?
Where are you from?
My mama womb. Y'all, the next person. Girls have a higher risk of getting pregnant than boys. I'm saying I ain't know. What up, gang?
Nah, your tattoo's hard.
Thank you. Where you from?
I'm from.
He from his mama womb too. Shit. Yo.
I like your piercing.
Thank you. I got both of them.
I look you wanted to get one here, but I don't know if I can rock it.
Get it. Fuck these people.
I mean, I don't know. Do you think I'm gonna have a study?
Yeah.
Think so? I'm gonna do it just because you said it.
He was sweet. I was finna do the fuck out of him.
Yo, pass on me. Oh my God.
God,
Don't be like that. Don't be like that.
Damn. Yo. Yo, hold up a second. Cause what the fuck?
Hello?
Yo, what up, gang?
What's up? Yo, I fucking had. Wait. Can I sit right here real quick? What you drinking on?
Some soju? No.
Bro. Dude, you know what's crazy? Dude, I spilled my fucking last shot on the floor.
That's crazy. What you was drinking on?
I was drinking on Bacardi.
Oh, where you from?
I'm in Maine.
And what?
Wait, where you at? Wait, are you in Japan?
I'm in Korea, but yeah.
Like, legit, you in Korea?
Swear to God, I'm drinking on soju. Like, you go get you one of these where you at, and then let me know.
Wait. Yeah, but what brings you over there?
Well, what?
I said, what brings you over there?
My man.
Oh, actually?
Type shit. I'm where my man's at.
Hell yeah. The fuck? Wait, how long have you guys been dating for?
How long we been married?
Oh, married. Goddamn, I bet. Goddamn. Okay, yeah, married.
Like 6 years.
Wait, are you 26?
How old do I look?
I mean, I was, it says 26 on the thing, so I don't know. You look like you're, honestly, I'll say 24, 23, yeah.
Type shit. Now I'm 26.
Wait, yeah, but you're actually married?
I swear to God.
I kidnap you, and you come to the United States, and say, fuck your man, you know?
About, no, never. Next. Cause what?
Oh shit.
Type shit. What up, gang?
Are you actually from Korea?
Yeah.
What are you doing in Korea?
My man's.
What?
I want my man's.
Oh, he's Korean.
No. Cause why they be asking so many questions? Like, what up, gang? Yo, it's getting kind of long. It's kind of like dead. What we not gonna do is keep doing the empty ass screens.
Background. I thought I was tripping for a second there, yo.
What up, gang?
I was tripping. How you doing?
Good, and you?
I'm doing good. I'm a little lady tonight type shit. You feel me?
Type shit, you feel me? Drinking on that soju
What
bottle.
you drinking on? Is that soju?
It is.
Oh, you with the Japanese shit?
I'm with the Japanese shit right now.
Okay. Heard.
How old are you?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm turning 57 tomorrow.
Boy.
What? I'm turning 57 tomorrow.
Alright.
Salud to my 57 tomorrow. Though,
Salud. ¿Tú hablas español?
Claro que sí hablo español.
¿De dónde eres?
¿De You know what day it is?
What day?
Just like Salvadorian type shit.
Oh.
But I could be Puerto Rican for you if you want.
Okay. No, my man's Puerto Rican, but I'm Panamanian.
Panamanian? Oh, that's valid. That's valid. That's valid.
Sliding.
Okay.
Other than that, that pretty much sums up the rest of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Like, comment, subscribe. You know the vibes. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.